How to factory reset Samsung phone. This tutorial shows you how to erase all data and restore your device to factory settings. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. Next, scroll down and tap on General Management. Following that, tap on Reset at the bottom. Now, tap on Factory Data Reset. Moving forward, you'll see a warning that all data will be permanently deleted. Afterwards, scroll down to review what will be erased, including apps, photos, and settings. In addition to that, make sure you've backed up important data before proceeding. Once there, tap on Reset at the bottom of the screen. Subsequently, enter your PIN, password, or pattern to confirm. Moreover, tap Delete All to begin the factory reset process. Afterwards, your phone will restart and erase all data. Then, wait for the reset to complete, which may take several minutes. And that's it. If this factory reset guide helped you restore your device, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.